welcome to the channel, Teresa Rene. Thank you so much for stopping by. So I wanted to come on and share with you my stitch fix for the month of, I got it like towards the end of May. We're into June. So I want to show you this box. I really actually got some pieces that's kind of like out of the box. I got this China knit bodysuit by Heatherly in the color pink. This is an extra large. I have not had on a bodysuit, honest to God, probably since my early 20s, and I'm talking about 21, 22. If I wore one then, I don't know. I haven't had a bodysuit on in years. However, this is a really cute bodysuit. It is very, very comfortable. I like it so much that I would definitely probably purchase another one. Like I said, I haven't had on a bodysuit in ages, but I love how it feels. I love the color of it. I've really gotten into pink this summer. Well, spring. We hadn't gotten summer yet. So next up we have, what is this? And I actually paired, the pink bodysuit with these shorts that I got that I absolutely love. These shorts are, 151 Jenner high-rise linen utility cargo shorts in large, and they are in the color tan. These shorts are so comfortable. You're gonna hear me say comfortable because these really are very, very comfortable. But these are some really cute cargo shorts. I have not worn, I don't typically wear shorts unless they are denim shorts and they are like right above the knee. Normally I don't wear shorts. However, I freaking love these shorts. I feel like they fit really, really nicely. They actually have a button and a pocket here on the front on both sides. They have pockets on the back as well as a belt loop, and they zip, but it has plenty of elastic in the back just in case it's one of those days, you know, you go to a cookout or something, you eat too much and the stomach begins to expand. I love these shorts. I would definitely purchase these probably in another color. I'm gonna see if they have more colors because I definitely would get more of these color shorts as well as those pink bodysuits. I definitely would purchase another bodysuit as well. This top, I also paired this with the cargo shorts because I could actually see wearing that together. I think it really looks cute together. This top is called the Non-Britain Extra Large Tilly Faux Wrap Cropped Cami. And I actually like this cami. This cami fits really nice. It actually has scallops at the in the front here. It is low cut in the back. It also is like a peplum as well at the bottom. But I love this top. It has the color pink. This orange dress, I want to say that, let me make sure this is color orange. The Alvin Studio Brie halter neck dress in the burnt orange. Girl, this is my freaking color. I love this color. It has that gauze type material. I almost feel like I could get this in. This is in an extra large, I believe. I feel like I could go down to a large in this. It does feel a little bit big under the sleeves, but I do like the flow, the fact that it actually flows and has movement to it. And so I don't want it, if I get the large, I wonder if I lose the movement, because this is not a dress that's meant to be a tight dress. It's meant to be flowy. So I don't know, I was thinking about maybe having it altered a little bit up on this area just to fit a little bit tighter, because I do feel like it kind of has a lot of space up under there. It has two splits on the sides. It does have like a slip up underneath that is extremely short, but it hides all the goodies. But I almost feel like if I get a large, that slip would be too small. It's like, I don't know, but the color against my skin, oh, on a summer day, you know, I'm thinking like 98 degrees outside and, you know, just want something flowy, not clinging to my body. I think this would actually be perfect, and the color would just be, oh, just look at this against my skin. Oh my goodness, I love this dress. And my stylist, hey, she's knocking it out the park as far as my boxes. I didn't show you last month's box, but I did keep it. It was a dynamite box. And next up is my favorite out of this whole entire box that I would definitely keep if I chose not to keep anything else. But I think I'm going to keep everything else because I like everything else. I really do. So this is the 41 Hawthorne Honora Faux Wrap Knit Dress in extra large, and the color is navy. this dress is everything. I just like how it fits, how it makes me feel. I think it looks really good on my body. I love the faux wrap part of it. I just love this dress. And you know what I said to myself? This is my birthday dress. Definitely it could be a nice 4th of July dress. However, my birthday is June 29th, so I'm sure I'll be doing every year I get a dress from Stitch Fix for my birthday to wear on my birthday. So what I will probably tell my stylist is to find me a dress, a birthday dress. But I think this is my birthday dress, y'all. I love this dress. It feels so good against the skin. Very, very comfortable. I love the fact that it has the straps here. I'm not sure. I probably won't wear a bra with this. I don't think it'll be a big problem. I feel like it looks sexy. It looks that much. I love the red, white, and the blue. I think this is a fantastic dress, and I really think that this is gonna be my birthday dress. I really do. So let's get into the prices, okay? So the Alvin Britt halter dress in burnt orange is $54. That is an excellent, excellent deal for this dress. $54, you cannot beat that. This is my 60-second fix. I have not seen a number at the top since I've been getting Stitch Fix boxes. So I'm excited to see my number up there. Let me know what number I'm on, okay? Number 62. But Stitch Fix honestly has been, I love Stitch Fix. And I love it because a lot of times now, especially around here, I don't know if y'all having that problem. We're having a hard time finding items in the store. A lot of people have moved here, and the shelves, it's like people, like when I go in the store now, it's not a great experience for me. So I go every once in a while, but it's just not a great experience. And so Stitch Fix has been a lifesaver because I try it on, keep it for a while, trying to decide if I like it or not. And whatever I don't like, I just send back, you know, no obligation. I don't have to keep it. They don't charge me shipping to return anything. So I think that is it's great. So anyway, this dress was $54, which is a steal for this dress. I feel like that's a very, very good price. The 9 Brit faux wrapped shirt in black is $40. With the scalloped edges in the front. This is $40. The bodysuit, which I absolutely love. I'll buy another bodysuit. I really will. I like this bodysuit a lot. This bodysuit is $34. The navy dress that I love so much is only $68. I love this dress. Oh my goodness. That's only $68, and the shorts in the tan is only $38. So in total, this box is $234 minus the 25% discount. It's only $175.50. Yes, I love that price. What are your thoughts? Like, I love this box. I think everything was really, really nice. Everything fit really nice. The orange dress, a little bit big, but I think I'd rather have that movement and the flow to that dress. If anything, I might take it and have it taken on the sleeves a little bit, where I feel like it might be a little bit too big. The rest of it, I feel like it's just, that's how it's designed to be. So if you want a Stitch Fix box, all you gotta do is click in my link below, and you can actually save money off and get you your own Stitch Fix. It is no obligation. If you like everything, you keep it. If you don't, you send it back. You don't pay anything, which is a great thing. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Let me know what you think. What's your favorite piece in this box? What do you think I should keep? If anything, you think I should, you know, what do you think? What are your thoughts? Let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. If you have not subscribed yet, hit the subscription button, hang out with your girl. And I will holler back at you in the next video. Bye, girl.